Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's Sunday. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And remember, before we continue, guys, not for everyone to, I don't really want you to forget that we still have that $27 lifetime VIP signals, which means you pay once and you can join this. So you can actually contact me. Remember, this is limited, so which means you just need to reserve your spot. So you can see that that's $27 is actually for 3 months. That lifetime is supposed to be $99, but this it will start nicely on the new month, which I'm going to update you about. So you can scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me, then we can actually take it from there. So now what's really happening on the markets? What's really happening on the market? We are on the economic calendar here. What's really happening? We can see that on Monday, you guys, we don't really have much. We can see CPI from Germany, not really that important. Doesn't really move the market that much. We have Powell is going to speak around to 8. This is going to be mostly important. Maybe we will see the way the market will react to that. On Tuesday, we have a lot. Also, we have CPI from Europe. You can see that. Plus, the most important one is going to be a manufacturing PMI and job openings. This is way good. It's going to be very, very important. The thing is, it's around the same time, so this might actually confuse each other. Or let's say if the other one is negative, the other one is positive, mostly the market won't even move. So on Wednesday, we have ADP, non-farm employment change. This happens every time when we have NFP. Every time we have NFP that week, you will see ADP. It's not really once every first week of every month before NFP, right? So after that, it's not really important, but yes, somewhere it can move the market. So unemployment claims also on Thursday, as usual. This is always like every week. Service PMI, this is very important. We will see how the market is going to react to this. Maybe the market will be going up or down, but service PMI should be actually trying to go up to show us that the US economy is doing well. Like manufacturing PMI, if it's gonna go up, that is also going to be good. But here it seems the estimate, yes, it seems to be going to go a little bit higher compared to previously. So on Friday, it's obvious we have NFP, non-farm payroll. So this is going to be interesting. It seems like the numbers here are not really as crazy as before. You can see 142 previously, now 144, which means the change won't be that much. But we will have to wait and see, you see. So we will have to wait and see. So now let's go on the analysis. And see what's really happening. As you know, we will start with dollar index so that we understand where the market is going. So I think for a few days now, the market has been around the same level. We can see that we are still on that nice downtrend structure, guys. But where we are now, the market is struggling to break this support area. But at the end of the day, I like the fact that we are on a downtrend. So that shows us that the market is actually doing what? The market is struggling to go higher, which shows us that the dollar is actually weaker, and we want that. Maybe the market will respect this level and go lower here, but at the end of the day, I think we will have to break this level and continue to go lower, as it seems like most of the economic news or fundamentals that we get, they are mostly negative. So which means the dollar is losing the momentum, the inflation is going down. Already they did cut the rates, and we still expect them to cut the rates, and that is actually good. So it's good for economy. So we expect a continuation of that downtrend. So with the dollar we are going down. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. What's really happening on the next one is GBP USD. What's really happening on GBP USD? I think this is the most clean structure. You can see that the market is been actually going up. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting the market to bounce back around this level and to push up around that. Because already we can easily see that the market is showing us that we already have a nice resistance that can also be our support, and we expect the market to do what? To continue going up. So quite similar to here. Do you see that? So the market did the same thing. So we expect the same thing to happen. But the market is not forced. By the way, if the market doesn't really do that, it means we also have to have an option, and our option, it will be if the market breaks out of this resistance, we will be ready to do what? To jump again for this buy. So we've been actually looking for buy as we are on this nice uptrend. So the reason why I follow the trends for quite long, guys, is because trends tends to go for quite long. Just imagine, just check this. This started around April and we're still going up. So just imagine when you're just looking for a buy, you don't actually confuse the two. Buy, sell, no, you just look for buy positions only. And the most important thing is just know where you can buy, because this trend can last for more than a year. So which means you're not confused. You know where the market is going. That's why they say follow the trend, or they say the trend is your friend. So another simple example is don't try and go against the traffic. It's like going against the traffic. If you're looking for sell, buy, whatever, yeah, you can still make money here and there, but it's not going to be the same as you are someone who is going to look for buy positions only as we are heading to the upside. You see, simple as that. But what I like here is it shows us that the dollar is losing that momentum against GBP. So GBP is going up, and we expect that to happen. Simple as that. So yeah, we're still actually looking for that buy. So now we are on gold, precious metal. So what's really happening here is we still expect to see the market pushing to the upside, especially when the dollar is losing the momentum. But yes, in the Middle East, tensions are brewing, like seriously, everything is hot over there. We're just hoping for peace. But anyways, in the stock markets, it seems like gold likes that. We see gold going higher and higher, but at the end of the day, that type of a trend there, you can see this is not really sustainable. The market can't keep up with that type of a trend. So one way or another, the market will end up maybe reversing before going higher. But at the end of the day, we are still on this nice uptrend. But we have to know where we can get in very nice, so that we don't actually end up paying the price here once the market reverses, because the market can still reverse and still continue going higher. The market might reverse and reach this level here. We can't say the market is now downtrending. The market can reverse, reach this level, go higher, or maybe this level. So it's up to the market. But at the moment, we can easily see that things are pushing gold to go higher. The dollar is losing some momentum, and that is good for gold. There's tensions, good for gold. So higher inflations all over the world, good for gold also. You see, but now things starting to change slowly. Countries starting to cut the rates, so maybe slowly we will see gold starting to go even lower. But at the moment, we are still on that nice bullish move. But at the moment, we'll have to wait and see if maybe we can get a proper entry. So now we are on US30. US30 is actually on a very nice bullish structure, guys. We can easily see that the market is still going higher, and that is actually good. That is actually good, but the market is actually struggling. Yes, we did have a buy pending order, which jumped straight to profit, but I think later on the market tried to reverse. Let me go there. Please, guys, if you are new to this channel, if you find this type of information helpful, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So you can see that we had this resistant area. Let me just do it like this. So you can see that we had this aggressive resistance. The market was respecting that for quite some time, and the market broke out. But after we have this breakout, you can see here that the market has been consolidation for quite some time. Likely enough, on Friday, the market did break out. We had a buy pending order. The market was almost towards our halfway towards our TP there. And guess what? The market actually reversed. So we're hoping that maybe the market next week, which is tomorrow, I think maybe we will see maybe a nice bounce back because we were in a very nice profit, you see. But the overall structure, yes, I still believe that we are still on a very nice uptrend structure. Maybe the market wants to reach this level, I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see, as I'm still bullish on this structure on US30. So let's push to gold. Gold actually reversed on Friday, but it started by going up. But before, guys, let me remind you, because this is going to end and there's people who are going to come late. And when I say things change, you might think maybe I'm not really cool. So we still have $27 special. It's lifetime, which means you pay once. So once you pay once here, you're done, and you just receive unlimited signals. We send 2 to 6 signals per day, you see. So these are the normal prices that we're going to use after the special. You can see that 3 months, 6 months, lifetime, and that also, it's actually our limited offer, because the service that we offer, it's way more than the whatever the price that we charge there. So if you want to be part of the team and join with that $27 lifetime, you can see there it's actually $99, but you can join with $27. So you can scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me, then you can be part of the team. Then we can start to eat together. So on Nasdaq, we can easily see that the market here, it shows us that we're no longer on this downtrend. We are now going higher. You can see that. So the market, it's around the support area. We had a buy, the market went up, it's back again. So I'm still expecting to see the market going higher. I think on Friday we had PCE. PCE, it's quite similar to CPI. And the numbers went lower. That shows that people are not spending that much. That's why that is not really good for Nasdaq. And we saw a reversal. But I'm hoping that maybe this week we will see a bounce back from that, as we are still on that nice uptrend. So maybe at the end of the day, we will have a proper support area going further, because yeah, we are actually bullish here. So yeah, we're expecting to see that bounce back. So the other one that did not really give us any problem, I think it's German 30 or German 40. Actually, this one did spike very nice. We had a nice buy pending order here. You can see here it was a resistant. Market broke out there. Then we jumped on that. A nice pending order, and the market just jumped. Just look at that. That was very quick. Obviously, my people did smash that if they did take that. But the overall structure here, it's still a proper nice uptrend. Yes, the market along the way, it might reverse, but we are still actually looking for this nice bullish move, as the economies are trying to recover, as inflation is going a little bit lower. So I hope that makes sense. So we did smash also US oil. So, but now it seems like the market is reversing. Let's take that out. Maybe we'll have another opportunity. We took it after it broke out, then it did not really even touch our TP. So I think it's a good thing for us to get out on that. So, but the overall structure, you can see that yes, we are still on this nice downtrend structure. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a continuation of this nice downtrend. But if we break out, because I believe that maybe the market might reach this support area there before we see a breakout, yeah, we will have to see. We'll have to wait and see if maybe we're gonna have that breakout, because at the end of the day, we need to see the oil on the balanced mode, not going too much lower or maybe going too higher. But this shows us that inflation is going down, especially when we see oil, because everything that we see here mostly it's priced according to oil. If oil is going down, most likely inflation is gonna go down. If oil is going up, mostly inflation is gonna go up, because oil, those ships that transport goods, trucks, all, they use oil, you see. So we're not really yet on the electric bubble. So it's not, we are still on oil actually. So yeah, it seems like we are still on that downtrend, so we'll have to wait and see if maybe we're gonna have some very nice opportunities. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kezo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to scan that QR code to talk to me. We still have that $27 special. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.